having my earphone. I said, what the fuck? I said, fuck. And then he's putting that. He's step on
like getting ready to go to sleep.
That chick going to do something again. I said, fuck, motherfucker.
Like, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Hey, so for the camera, what did you think it was?
I was some ghost going to do something against Ed.
A ghost?
He was
ghost.
Have you seen ghosts
I
before?
seen ghosts. I said, you living ghosts.
Was this before or after you were smoking something?
Because I believe in ghosts.
Okay, for the record, Israel was trying to protect me until he jumped over and realized nobody was on the bed. And then he looked up and shit.
What happened?
Hey,
okay, now what did you say in Spanish? Because you were yelling loud in Spanish. That scared the shit out of me.
I say, ¿qué cojones? Yo dije, ¿qué cojones esa mierda le va a hacer a él? Un jodido fantasma, ese
You think he's a ghost? He thinks you're possessed.
I think that I saw him slip. He was sleeping.
No,
When the light turned
you just saw the blankets like this.
Yeah,
I got out
when
of
the light turned on, I do that. When the light start to on and off, I do that. I say, hey, what happened? It's sleeping. He's there. What happened? They went so there. I say, ¿qué cojones esa mierda le va a hacer a él? Cojones, like, what the fuck? Entonces, ¿qué cojones esa mierda le va a hacer a él, cabrón? ¿Qué cojones tú vas a hacer?
I was like this. Oh shit!
Well, one thing is true.
What the fuck is wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you? Say, oh fuck, I saw some ghost go to do something against you. Oh, I'm gonna kill you. Fuck, and then I come back and say, hey, Ed, I don't know. He said, hey, do we live in ghosts? You know, I believe in ghosts. If I see some ghosts, I have to hit it. I don't care. Yeah,
He was telling us the story at lunchtime, but the only thing he was wondering about, when you jumped on him in the middle of the night, how come you were naked?
No, because I wasn't in computer school. I was working in a computer. See, that shit. It's only white t-shirt. But it's not too, because it's not like when you get out from the restroom and you come to the bed. No, it wasn't like that. And then maybe he saw me when I was.
No, it was dark. I couldn't see, so I'm like this. I was like, "Oh, you're still awake." You jumped over, fuck! And then I turned the light back on. What the fuck is wrong with you?
I thought that the guy was doing something against you, though.
Hey, Israel, I love you. Thank you for protecting me against myself.
Cojones.
Cojones?
Hilarious. Really.
Cojones, what do you mean? What the fuck, man? But I was scared in the beginning.
We got some ghosts in Chicago.
I don't see anything, but so when I do that, that is there. Why the light? But I say, when something happens inside the room, someone goes inside the room drinking coffee, or make poo-poo, baby, whatever, I don't want to go. But I'm scared. When I saw that, fuck. You know, my grandma told me, you have to scare about the live people, not the dead people. The dead people, you scared, they can do something against you. But you, like...
They disappear.
Yeah, they live. But you scared, they can...
They feed on it.
They feed on
your fear.
The fuck. But I'm scared of some woman. I swear. He starts sweating. I mean, we go that night. He's like, fuck.
He was so nervous.
I just start sweating. I hit you sweating about both sweating. Oh, fuck. It's almost 5.